Lamphang ka Iing Dorbar Thawaan Khuborjylla Thomas e Sangma menta kasngi ka khatway terik no pra arhajar arpusan Leit banjirip ya ka jing Pyntrei ya ka Iing Dorbar Thawaan Thymmai jong Khuborjylla Mawdiangdiang ringkat ka jing donlang usumbut Lamphang batru ki he sorkar na kitanat beper. La Pyntrei ru ba ka jing rakhi ka jing wan ka Christmas in belong ha kasin ka beningkong ha phalau jong ka Iing Dorbar Thymmai. Kabenta bekerpang jong kejing jurip kalong ru halor ke boarding ha kaba ula kentui ki ofisar ketenat MEECL ban penstet no ka kam habai day bat kate kabenta. Kila don ru bun ki wei ki pang ki bau Lamphang ula kentui ketenat bat ki ofisar ban shim kia mardor kenang baka kam kanyat stet. Dangshen Lamphang ula penpau baki bu thong bai kate ke Iing Dorbar Thymmai day ban pendep no hau jeliu jong snem ban wan.
Today, myself and my Deputy Speaker and all the officials from various departments, we have come to make an inspection of this new Mawdiangdiang Assembly Complex. On the 19th of this month, we are going to celebrate the pre-Christmas program here in these premises. So we have come to oversee the progress of work, and also we have come to review and inspect the power line supply which is being done by the MECL the energy company from our state, Meghalaya. So we have also discussed the possibilities of getting the power supply connection at the earliest possible. And also we have also discussed with the Urban Affairs Department of the land, additional land. We have done some inspections also.
Satisfied with the job which is done today?
Yes, we are satisfied with the progress of work. So we hope that the work will be completed in the timeline which is given to them by the HPC.